Kingdom Animalia include all animals found in this world. The word Animalia is derived from Latin. Anima means soul or breath. All those animals in which the outermost covering of the cell, a cell membrane, not a hard cell wall, are classified as member of kingdom Animalia. According to the recent reports, kingdom Animalia is comprised of more than half a million species of animals. Some important characteristics of animals can be described as follows. Animals develop from two dissimilar haploid gametes, for example, larger egg and a smaller sperm. The outermost covering of all their cell is a cell membrane. They have a multicellular body. They are made of diploid eukaryotic cells. Animals are heterotrophic and they ingest their food. Evolutionists believe that animals have been evolved from single-celled organisms included in kingdom Protista, but it has yet to be decided that from which group of protists they have evolved. Their ancestry is still a topic of hot debate among biologists. Classification of animals. Being a very diverse group, animals need to be classified for the convenience of study. In ancient times, when the knowledge of cell and facility of microscopic studies were not available, scientists roughly divided the animal into two groups on the basis of presence or absence of vertebral column. Vertebrates. This group includes all those animals which possess a backbone or vertebral column. Vertebrata included fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Invertebrata. All those animals which do not possess backbone were included in this group. Invertebrata was divided into following phyla: Phylum Porifera, Phylum Coelenterata, Phylum Platyhelminthes, Phylum Schelminthes, Phylum Annelida, Phylum Mollusca, Phylum Arthropoda, Phylum Echinodermata, Phylum Chordata, including subphylum Vertebrata. Few invertebrate animals do not fit to any of the above mentioned phyla. Are classified into phylum Cynophora and minor phyla, but the number of animals and their species present in these phyla are so much less. They are generally ignored. They are inhabitants of deep seas, and we know very little about them. Animals have also been classified on the basis of cellular composition, their body into following three groups. Protozoa. Animals have single-celled body which performs all the vital functions of life. Amoeba, Paramecium, Plasmodium, Trypanosoma. Protozoa has been researched a separate kingdom, Protista. Parazoa. These are simple multicellular animals believed to evolve from protozoa. They are just collection of cells which are not differentiated into tissues and organs. For example, Purepra. Metazoa. Animals of this group are composed of many cells. The cells are arranged into tissues, organs, and organ systems. This group includes all other phyla from coelenterate to chordates. For example, metazoa are kept in subkingdom Eumetazoa. Acoelomates. Acoelomates are those animals which do not possess a body cavity or coelom, and these animals, instead of forming parietal and visceral layer, the mesoderm forms loose cellular tissue which fills the space between epidermis and gastrodermis. This loose tissue is called mesenchyma or parenchyma. Function of mesenchyma is support and protect internal organs by filling the spaces between them like packing material. Acoelomate do not have much developed body systems. Only excretory and nervous system are developed to a certain extent. Animal of phylum Platyhelminthes are classified as acoelomates. Coelomates. Coelomates are animals having a true body cavity or coelom. The cavity is filled with coelomic fluid. All the animals from phylum Annelida to phylum Chordata are coelomates. Coelomates are classified as protocoelomate, deuterocoelomates, protostomes, mollusks, annelids, arthropod developed. So the first opening in the embryo is mouth, protostome. Protostomes are bilaterally symmetrical, have three germ layers. The organ level of organization, the tube within a tube body plan, a true coelom. Deuterostomes develop the anus first, then the mouth at the other end of the embryo. Deuterostomes are coelomate animals having the following embryological characteristics. Phylum Puripra. Word puripra is derived from Latin porus, means minute holes or tiny openings, and pura means to bear. Hence, animals of this phylum bear small holes or pores all over the body. These pores are called ostia. Their bodies are made of groups of cells, but the tissues and organs are not present. They are most primitive metazoans and are commonly called sponges. All the members of this phylum are aquatic, mostly marine. The ostia are part of canal system in which water circulates and brings food to the body. This food is digested inside body cell as well as in spongiocele. Food of Puripra include phytoplanktons, zooplanktons, protozoans, crustacea, and other small organisms. But major parts, 80% of food is comprised of decaying organic matter. Sponges are sessile and do not contain any locomotory organ. Their dispersal takes place during asexual reproduction by budding and gemule formation, or by sexual reproduction through formation of eggs and sperms. Process of excretion takes place by diffusion. Sponges also lack any nervous system. Neurosensory cells and neurons are found which are believed to be coordinate the flow of water. All sponges except class Myxospongia have skeleton. The skeleton consists of carbonate of lime or silicon in the form of spicules or spongin, a fibrous protein in the form of fibers. Sponges are economically important animals as they are used for washing and bathing by human beings from ancient times. Even after the production and availability of artificial sponges, still natural sponges have their demand in the market, and they make a considerable proportion of the total business all over the world. Sponges found in warm water of Mediterranean Sea are commercially more important. Sponges are used in surgical operations because of their ability to absorb blood and other fluids, to reduce the noise pollution, and to make building soundproof. Sponges are used to absorb sound waves. Examples are Cycon, common marine sponge, Spongilla, freshwater sponge, Leucoselenia, tubular siliceous sponge appear to be made of glass framework. Predatory sponges have recently been discovered near the lip of Mud volcano in Barbados, strength 5,000 meters beneath the sea. They belong to family Cladorhizidae. They are very large, about the size of large dog. They stab passing crustaceans with their spicules and consume them. Subkingdom Eumetazoa. Grade Radiata.